Upcycling an old bike into premium, unique style functional decor art with real income potential captures the spirit of modern sustainable design and speaks directly to today's high-demand market searching for eco-conscious luxury, industrial home accents, and profitable upcycling ideas. In a world where discarded bicycles often sit rusting in backyards, workshops, or scrapyards, overlooked and undervalued, there exists extraordinary sculptural potential hidden within their frames, spokes, gears, and chains. The geometry of a bicycle is already an engineered masterpiece, a balance of triangles, tension, symmetry, and motion. When we begin to see that structure not as transportation but as art, the transformation into high-end modern decor becomes not only possible but powerful. Through precision joinery, meticulous sanding, and intentional design composition, an abandoned bike can evolve into minimalist luxury furniture and statement decor pieces that command attention and premium pricing in contemporary interiors. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The process begins with thoughtful deconstruction. Instead of dismantling the bicycle carelessly, each component is studied for form and potential. The triangular frame sections, once designed for strength and lightweight performance, become the foundation for geometric compositions reminiscent of complex parquet patterns. The circular rims and radiating spokes offer symmetry that feels both industrial and refined, making them ideal as bases for tables, wall installations, or sculptural lighting frames. Gears and chains, with their intricate mechanical rhythm, introduce texture and movement even when stationary. By separating, cleaning, and preparing these parts with precision, we shift them from mechanical relics to curated design elements. Degreasing metal surfaces, removing corrosion while preserving patina, and sanding welded joints until they are seamless ensures that the transformation feels intentional rather than improvised. Mastering complex geometric parquet patterns inspired by the bicycle's inherent structure elevates the project from simple recycling to high-end artistry. Parquet design traditionally relies on repeating geometric shapes arranged in visually captivating sequences. When sections of bike frames are cut and reassembled with careful measurement, they can mimic these interlocking patterns, forming striking wall panels, tabletop bases, or sculptural room dividers. Precision is critical. Angles must align flawlessly, welds must be smooth, and surfaces must be balanced to achieve the minimalist aesthetic demanded by modern luxury markets. Seamless sanding plays a defining role in this refinement. Grinding rough weld beads into smooth transitions and polishing metal edges until they reflect light subtly ensures that the finished piece feels cohesive and professionally crafted. This level of detail separates amateur scrap art from premium industrial modern decor. The visible history carried by the old bike becomes one of its greatest assets. Scratches along the frame, faint branding marks, and subtle weathering tell a story of movement and use. When framed within clean lines and balanced proportions, these traces of the past become symbols of authenticity rather than imperfections. In contemporary design culture, exclusivity often stems from uniqueness, and no two reclaimed bicycles share identical wear patterns. By preserving selective patina while integrating it into minimalist compositions, we create decor pieces that cannot be mass-produced. Buyers searching for unique handmade furniture, sustainable industrial art, or eco-friendly statement pieces are drawn to objects with narrative depth. They are not just purchasing furniture. They're investing in a story of reinvention and environmental respect. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Functionality further enhances market appeal. A bike wheel can be transformed into a sleek glass-topped coffee table base, its circular symmetry creating balance within a living space. Frame segments arranged in geometric configurations can support shelving units that feel both airy and structural. Chains embedded into wooden tabletops or welded into sculptural legs add texture and contrast against smooth surfaces. The fusion of metal components with reclaimed wood introduces warmth that complements the industrial edge, aligning perfectly with modern minimalist and Scandinavian-inspired interiors. Precision joinery between metal and wood is essential to achieving this balance. Hidden fasteners, flush connections, and carefully aligned seams communicate quality and craftsmanship. The result is decor that feels intentional, elegant, and durable. Eco-conscious craftsmanship lies at the heart of this transformation. By diverting an old bicycle from landfill and giving it renewed purpose, we contribute to a circular economy that values reuse over disposal. In today's environmentally aware marketplace, sustainability is not merely a trend, but a purchasing priority. Consumers actively search for upcycled bike furniture, recycled metal home decor, and sustainable luxury design. By presenting these creations as high-end products rather than novelty items, we challenge outdated perceptions of recycled art. The careful finishing, balanced proportions, and refined textures prove that sustainability and sophistication coexist seamlessly. This alignment between environmental responsibility and modern aesthetics drives significant market value, as buyers are willing to pay more for decor that reflects their values. Income potential grows when craftsmanship meets storytelling. The process of transforming a rusted bicycle into minimalist luxury furniture is visually compelling, making it ideal for platforms like YouTube, where viewers crave dramatic before and after narratives. Demonstrating the stages of cleaning, cutting, welding, sanding, and assembling provides educational value while highlighting skill. By optimizing content around search-friendly phrases such as upcycling old bike into furniture, recycled metal art projects, industrial modern home decor, and profitable DIY crafts, creators can attract audiences seeking both inspiration and practical business ideas. The combination of striking visuals and sustainability messaging enhances viewer engagement and increases the likelihood of shares and repeat views. The profitability of such projects stems from low material costs, combined with high perceived value. Discarded bicycles are often inexpensive or free, yet the labor and artistry invested in their transformation elevate them into premium decor items. A well-designed bike frame console table or sculptural wall art installation can command prices far exceeding the cost of materials. Customers recognize the originality and craftsmanship embedded in each piece. Because the source material is inherently limited and unique, the final product carries an aura of exclusivity. In a market saturated with mass-produced furniture, handmade upcycled pieces stand out as rare and meaningful alternatives. Meticulous craftsmanship remains the defining factor in converting raw scrap into profitable eco-conscious furniture. Precision measurement ensures stability and alignment. Seamless sanding removes visual distractions and enhances tactile appeal. Balanced composition ensures that the piece integrates harmoniously into modern interiors. These technical disciplines elevate the work from recycled craft to gallery-worthy design. When industrial waste is handled with care and intention, it transcends its origins. The bicycle, once a utilitarian object of motion, becomes a static yet dynamic sculpture, capturing energy in frozen form. Ultimately, upcycling an old bike into premium functional decor art demonstrates that sustainability can drive both creative fulfillment and financial success. It reveals how visible history, when framed with precision, becomes a mark of exclusivity rather than imperfection. It proves that complex geometric structures already exist within everyday objects, waiting to be reimagined through skilled hands and thoughtful design. In transforming mechanical remnants into minimalist luxury furniture, we affirm that eco-conscious craftsmanship is not a compromise, but an elevation. The discarded bike becomes a testament to resilience and reinvention, a powerful reminder that what is cast aside can return as something extraordinary. Through dedication to detail and respect for material, raw scrap evolves into high-demand design, bridging the gap between environmental responsibility and profitable modern decor. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.